All right, so I want to give a shout out to Winnerwell, who sent me this new stove. After the experience I had with the Dan shell, again, if you go back and watch the last video, I talk about it. That stove, it's a good stove for the price. It does what it's supposed to do, but it does have its issues. So I went on the quest to find a better stove because I will use it a lot, and boy, did I find one. Right away when I got this stove, I was immediately impressed. First of all, the weight is twice that of my other previous stove. This is the Winnerwell Large Nomad View, and it comes with a 3.5-inch pipe, which is awesome. Big difference, super high quality, precision crafted 304 stainless steel. It's got a 1/8 inch thick cooktop and a 1/16 inch thick body material. It weighs 34 pounds. This thing is not light. God, I mean, the footprint of it's 20 inches by 18 inches. The capacity of the firebox is 1,500 cubic inches. So basically like 18 inches. Yeah, I mean, the airflow controller on this thing is unique in that it's not the sliding mechanism like on most stoves. And yeah, I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Perhaps the most mind-blowing feature of this stove is its price. I mean, you can spend thousands of dollars on wood-burning stoves for hot tenting. This one, if you go on their Winnerwell website right now, and Dwell Outdoors is the one who sent this to me. They're the distributor for Winnerwell here in the U.S., I believe, maybe worldwide, but that's who I got it for. Awesome, awesome people, amazing customer service. I mean, just all around a great experience. This stove is $499 online right now, and that is a steal considering a stove this size. Even the Dan shells and some of the cheaper quality stoves are still in that price range. So this is just a no-brainer. Head over to Winnerwell and pick yourself up one of these. They make all sorts of sizes and different versions. Not enough good things to say about this stove. Thanks to Winnerwell for sponsoring this video and for sending me this stove. It will get a lot of use.